Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are heading to Walmart. Now, I shopped these deals on April the 6th, 2025. So, when you are doing these deals, just always be aware of Ibotta rebates because they come and go. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you 20 Ibotta rebates. My total for everything was $102.77, and I only paid $35. That's right, $35 for a cartload of things. You guys know we can never go in the store and spend $35 and get a cartload of things, so this makes me very happy. Now, as always, these deals are all digital, so you're just using your phone to score. And no need to cut out any paper coupons for this video. And there's also a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off and take it in the store with you, or you just pull it up on your phone. So there's no need to write any of these deals down. I've done all the work for you. Now, for me to continuously bring you these videos week after week, I need you guys to engage. I need you guys to like these videos, share these videos with friends. Also, comment your favorite deal. Just comment and have conversations with me. It really helps for me to keep bringing these videos to you and putting my videos out there. I work really hard on them, and I want to keep doing this for you guys. I hope you enjoy these deals. Such an easy deal on the Chic Extreme 3s. These are $6.47. There is an Ibotta rebate for $4. So you get a high valued Ibotta rebate. It's going to bring these down to $2.47. And the good thing with this Ibotta rebate is you can do it twice. So you can go ahead and pick up 2 packs if you want to, and you'll just pay $2.47 per pack. Great deal on these. So this is the Vio Life Creamer. I actually have gotten this past couple times. It's reset every week or every couple days for me. These are $4.88 at Walmart. There's an Ibotta rebate for $4.88. This is a dairy-free creamer, but I just wanted to be honest with you guys. I don't care for it, so I didn't pick it up this time. However, this would be something that would be great to donate because I'm sure there's plenty of food banks that would appreciate dairy-free options like this, or if you have a friend that can't do dairy, this is great. But it is a freebie at Walmart. Just submit your receipt to Ibotta and it'll be totally free, but I will not be picking it up this week. This is the Hello toothpaste 8-in-1 toothpaste. There's also this one that's like a vitamin D toothpaste. You have to get the 8-in-1 for this to work. So it's $5.96 for this. Now there's two different offers that we're going to get by getting this 8-in-1 toothpaste. First offer is a $4 from Ibotta, so you got a high value back from Ibotta. And the second offer is from Swagbucks. Now the picture I have for you is not right. Make sure you don't get the vitamin D, but there's another Hello 8 on the app. I just screenshotted the wrong one. So because we're only buying one Hello 8, we're going to get back $1 from Swagbucks. So you'll get back $4 from Ibotta, $1 from Swagbucks. It's going to make the Hello 8-in-1 toothpaste 96 cents. Great deal on the Pantene Miracle Rescue. I rarely see items like this where it's like a hair treatment or whatever that has a good deal. So I'm definitely going to pick these up. Now, what the deal is on this is you're going to pick up 2 boxes. Each box is $7.97. Now, it comes in this box of $7.97 for treatment. So essentially, you're going to be getting 8 treatments. Your total at the register is $10.94. You have a high value, extremely high valued. I bought a rebate, which is $10 you're going to get back because you buy 2 boxes, and it's going to make your total $5.94 or $2.97 for each box of the Miracle Rescue. Well, I thought I had a better deal on this Motrin before because there was a fetch rebate, but it's gone now. Still okay. Still good deal on the Motrin. So these are $4.22. We have 2 Ibotta rebates. There's a Ibotta rebate for $2, and there's also an Ibotta rebate for 10 cents on pain reliever. So that's $2.10 in Ibotta rebates. It's going to bring your total for the Motrin down to $2.12. Make sure that you get the small one. This is the 24 count. And I know people are like, oh, it's just 10 cents for the Ibotta rebate, but your Ibotta rebates add up and it helps you to get bonuses. So don't ever skip out on those rebates. love the design of the Palmolive spring line. They've got the lemon, which is like the fresh lemonade, and they've got the peach blossom. Both are adorable. Lemon one has little pretty butterflies, and the peach blossom has hummingbirds on it. These are $2.68. I've already got this home and put it in my on my sink because I just thought it was too cute. So we have two rebates. One rebate is for $1 back from Ibotta. So that's on any Palmolive. But the other rebate is if you just buy one of these, you're going to get 50 cents back, and that's what I did. So Palmolive is 268. You're going to get $1 back from Ibotta, and then 50 cents back from Swagbucks. That's going to make your Palmolive $1.18. And if you've picked this up already, let me know which scent you like the best, whether it's the lemonade or the peach. All right, so this is the deal on the Cascade. Now, we're looking at only the Cascade Platinum Plus, and it's $4.94. Do not get the Cascade Platinum. It does not work. Make sure when you're in the store and you're scanning your Ibotta rebates, make sure you pick up the Platinum Plus, and I think it's the 9 count that works. So this is my favorite deal today because I love a deal on dishwasher tabs. You know, sometimes I run the dishwasher 3 times a day, and so we go through these a lot. But the Cascade Platinum Plus with the Dawn are $4.94. There's a high valued I bought a rebate for $4 back, so we'll just leave us to pay 94 cents for the Cascade Platinum Plus, not the Platinum. So this is the Glade spray. It is $2.28. I usually don't buy things like this, but this is a good item to help you reach your bonuses on Ibotta, and it's also a great item to like put as like a $1 item if you're selling at like a yard sale. Because what you're going to do is pick one of these up at $2.28. The Ibotta rebate is for $1.50. There's a limit of 3, so if you wanted to go ahead and pick up 3, you could, but I just picked up 1. Your total after the Ibotta rebate is going to be 78 cents. So sometimes it doesn't have to be like a huge, like when you resell, doesn't have to be this huge, profit. But it's sometimes good to have those dollar items on your table. It gets people to your table. Or if you're reselling on like Facebook Marketplace, it gets people to, seeing, oh, she's got more items in there, and it kind of fills in the items when you're reselling. The Febreze small spaces, this is a really good deal on these. I like to stick these in the car, like in the door. I don't like the Febreze car plug-ins that goes on the air vent. I just feel like it's just too powerful. But to stick it in the car in the back, it's like not as bad. So 324 on these. There is an Ibotta rebate for $2.30 back. It's going to make the small spaces just 94 cents. So good deal on that. 94 cents on the Febreze, just submitting your receipt to Ibotta to get this easy rebate back. I actually look for the Tide Clean Boost. I look for it over there in the travel section, as I just thought that's where it would be because it says trial on it, but it wasn't there. So I went over to like the regular section that has like all the scent beads and softeners and things. So the Tide Clean Boost is a smaller bottle. It's 447 for these. So 447, and then there is a Ibotta rebate for $2.50 back. So it's going to make the Tide Clean Boost just $1.97. I almost gave up on this offer, but because I didn't realize I was getting the wrong one. So this is on the Suavitel, the odor shield. It's like dark blue because I was scanning the wrong one. So that's why you always scan your products in the store. These are $4.47 for these. You're going to pick up 2. Your total for both of them is going to be $8.94. On Ibotta, there's a rebate back. It's a BOGO rebate, so that means you're going to buy 2, and you're going to submit your receipt and get back $4.46. So that's going to leave you to pay $4.48 for the both of them, or $2.24 each. I still have tons more of deals to show you in this video, but I did want to stop for a second and give you my codes. Now, these are the rebate apps I use. Ibotta, Shopkick, Swagbucks, and Fetch. When you use my code, I get a kickback and you get a kickback as well. So you'll get, a little bonus for signing up using my code. So for Swagbucks, that's the only one that you need the link. And that link either is going to be in the description box on my YouTube, or you can check for the link in my bio for the Swagbucks code. But these are all going to give you those chances to be able to get free money just by buying items that you buy every single day. Are you a magic eraser mama? Like, I used to not ever want magic erasers. I'm like, yeah, I don't need those. But then I started to realize these things are golden. So what you're going to do is the 4-pack of the regular magic erasers. You can get different ones, but this is the ones that I got. They're $5.44 for the regular 4-pack. You're going to pick up 2 packs. Your total is $10.88. We have a high valued Ibotta rebate of $6. It's going to bring your total down to $4.88 or $2.44 per box of magic erasers. All right, so we have 2 Ibotta rebates on Aspirin Cream or the topical pain relief. Now, if you didn't get the Motrin, then you can still use the 10 cents. So that 10 cents going to either be for the Motrin or for this. It's not going to be for both. But I'm just going to show you this here. So the arthritis pain relief is $2.96. Now, because I used it already, the 10 cents, I'm not going to apply it for this. So $2.96, and then there's a $1.50 Ibotta rebate, which makes it $1.46. Or, of course, if you use that 10 cent as well, it'll bring it down even more to $1.36. But because I've already used it, it's going to make the arthritis pain relief just $1.46. So this is your reminder that if you haven't already done so, then make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to all so you know when all my videos are coming out. So this is the Dove Men's Care Scrub. Now, this is $8.88, and I'm just assuming maybe it's a new product. That's why we're getting some great deals on this. And this Ibotta rebate is actually going to expire soon, so I wanted to try to get this out to you as soon as possible. So the Ibotta rebate is for $5. That is a high valued Ibotta rebate. And then we also have Shopkicks. With the scans and kicks, it's equivalent to $2.62. So for $2.62, it's going to make this bring this down to $1.26. So $8.88, $5 on Ibotta, and $2.62 on Shopkicks will bring this down to $1.26. Great deal on the dial hand soap. Make sure it's the one that's $1.24. There is a rebate on Shopkicks for $2.10 back with the scans and kicks. Now, $2.10 back on Shopkicks is equivalent to 84 cents. And this will bring your total down to 40 cents per bottle of dial hand soap. This could be done up to 3 times. Now, I usually just buy 3 and do it on the same receipt, but there's a limit of 3 for this receipt submission. So $1.24 down to 40 cents. This is on the Suave deodorant. This Suave deodorant is $2.98. We have a $1 back from Ibotta on Swap products, and we also have 75 cents back on Checkout 51. If you've never used Checkout 51, I've used it for years, but they have taken the place of the coupons apps that we used to use. It's just now a rebate app instead of a coupon app. So with the Ibotta rebate and the Checkout 51 rebate, it's going to make the deodorant $1.98. Every year I get these Curé Band-Aids, and every year I forget that they're not in the regular Band-Aid section. So I'm checking the regular Band-Aid section like I do all the time. And I remember, oh, they're going to be over there where the sports stuff is. So, like, where the toys are in Walmart, and they've got all the sports gear. There's like a place that has like bandages and, wraps for sports injuries and knees and all that stuff. But these are $2.97. There is a high valued Shopkicks rebate with the scans and kicks is 720 scans and kicks, which is equivalent to $2.88. So that $2.80 is going to come off, and it's going to make the Cure Band-Aids just 9 cents. In the past, we've gotten like the wraps and things, but I'm excited about this because I need the knuckle bandages. We're always having injuries around here with basketball. And so 9 cents for these Cure Band-Aids is a really a good deal. So this is the Pedigree Drizzlers. I'm assuming that you are like drizzling this like a wet type of thing on dry dog food. I don't have a dog. I did buy these, but I don't have a dog. I will be donating these. So these are 84 cents. First thing you have an Ibotta rebate. There's actually two for any for me. I don't know what you guys have, but I have two of the any dog food Ibotta rebates. They're 5 cents each. So that'll be 10 cents in the Ibotta rebate. So I will be submitting for those because those do help with your bonuses. And right now we do have like this Easter egg bonus. Mine's crazy. Mine's like 117 items. I'll get $35, but we'll see. You never know. It's the beginning of the month. So we have a Shopkicks rebate with the scans and kicks. It's 55 scans and kicks. So 55 scans and kicks is equivalent to 22 cents. So we'll get our 22 cents back. Then, in addition to that, we also have a rebate from Fetch. Fetch has a rebate of 840 Fetch points. 840 Fetch points is equivalent to 84 points. So, essentially, that's going to make it free. So, with the two Ibotta rebates of 10 cents, the 84 cents back from Fetch, and the 22 cents back from Shopkicks, it's going to make these Pedigree Drizzlers a moneymaker of 32 cents. This deal is on the Suave whole body deodorant. Now, the reason I don't have a picture for you is because my store was totally out of these, but they're in the travel section. In the travel section, they're $4 each for these. Like I'm like thinking like, travel items usually like dollar, $2, but $4 for one travel item on the Suave whole deodorant. Um, they're $4 each. You're gonna buy two. So that's going to make them $8. There's a high valued Ibotta rebate of $7 on these. So when that $7 is going to leave you to pay just 50 cents for each of the Suave whole body deodorant. I'm going to try to go back and get this deal later on in the week, hopefully. All right, praisers and savers, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed these deals. I love a good Walmart haul. I love to be able to go in the store and get things I need for my family for so much cheaper because remember these deals were over $100 and we only spent 35, so I will take that any day. Now make sure you do all the things. You like this video, you share it with your friends, subscribe, click that notification bell to all. I'm also going to be working on a CVS video later this evening, so if you want some CVS deals, then check them out. And then I'll work on the video tonight and send that out in just a little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for staying with me until the end. Let me know in the comments if you did make it to the end of this video. Have a blessed one.